Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. Got a 2015 Kenworth T660, 12.7 Detroit pre-log, 13 speed. Got a little over 600,000 miles, a couple 100,000 miles on a complete overhaul with paperwork. Gonna get it fired up, do a full walk around, show you underneath, inside and out. Let's get it rolling. Great responsiveness. Very well maintained truck. We've got actually 10 of these we bought off of a fleet. Identical specs, some overhauled, some of them not. Clean interiors. Nice seats. Good tires all the way around. You see the head's been replaced with different coloring. Great body and paint. Really nice for 600,000 miles and 67 years old. Good shot of the blow by. Nice guard on the front as well. Really good look. This is not your normal Kenworth T660. It's got the chicken lights, visor, chrome covers on the mirrors, all aluminum wheels, matched virgin rubber. Really cool truck overall. Got a little bit of paint chipping there on some of the rivets. This one's got a little scrape on the very bottom of that bearing. Also has a tri-pack Evolution APU, which are really nice. I'd say almost new virgin rubber on the back, and it's generals too, so it's a good quality tire. Got a little bit of rust on the frame, around the fifth wheel plate. A little bit elsewhere, but overall pretty got a little bit of the bunking that can be cleaned up there, but none on the inside of your frame rail really. That's going to be your major corrosive actually. So if you like this one or any of the other ones that I've posted that I've given views to, you can hit me up with questions at 901-896-4526, or always email me at joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.